In today's video, we will fix friend requests not showing on Snapchat. But first, please consider liking this video, subscribe if you are new to this channel, and hit that notification bell. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, first of all, you have to go on the settings. For Android users, you have to scroll down and go on the app management. You have to click on the app settings and search Snapchat, then go and clear cache. For iPhone users, just uninstall and reinstall the app. After that, you have to go back and click on the Google Play Store or App Store and search for the Snapchat. Here you have to update your Snapchat if needed. Once you update it, you have to refresh your Snapchat. That's basically how you can fix friend requests not showing on Snapchat. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're looking for more tutorial videos, feel free to visit our YouTube channel. Bye!